Hey, Adam, have you ever felt a little awkward when you meet someone new?
Oh, absolutely, Sarah. That feeling of, what do I even say? It's so common, right?
Totally. And that's exactly what we're tackling today. Small talk. It's like a mini superpower for connecting with people.
Exactly. It might seem simple, but mastering small talk can really open doors and make you feel more comfortable in English conversations.
Welcome back to Learn English with us, everyone.
We're so glad you're here to practice with us. Today's episode is all about learning those essential small talk phrases.
Yes, we're going to help you speak more naturally and confidently in everyday situations.
All right, so how will this work today? We're going to do some shadowing practice.
I'll say a phrase, then Adam will repeat it exactly, or with a tiny natural change.
Your job is to repeat after me. Try to match my pronunciation and rhythm.
We'll go slow first, then normal, and then a bit faster. Ready to jump in?
Let's do this. Small talk, here we come.
Round 1. Slow speed. Listen carefully.
How are you doing today?
How are you doing today? What's new with you?
What's new with you? Nice weather, isn't it?
Nice weather, isn't it? Busy day at work?
Busy day at work? Any plans for the weekend?
Any plans for the weekend? How was your morning?
How was your morning? Did you find everything okay?
Did you find everything okay? Just checking in.
Just checking in. Long time no see.
Long time no see. What brings you here today?
What brings you here today? All right, that was our slow round. Now, let's hear how these sound in a mini dialogue.
Imagine we just bumped into each other at a coffee shop. Hey, Adam, long time no see.
Sarah, it really is. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good, thanks. Just getting some coffee. Busy day at work?
You know it. Always busy. What's new with you?
Not much, just trying to enjoy this nice weather, isn't it? Such a lovely day.
It really is beautiful. Hey, any plans for the weekend?
Maybe some hiking if the weather stays like this. How about you?
Oh, probably just relaxing. How was your morning, by the way?
Hectic but fine, just checking in with some clients. What brings you here today?
Just needed a quick break from emails. Did you find everything okay with your order?
Yep, all good. Enjoy your coffee, Adam.
You too, Sarah. See ya.
See how those simple phrases just naturally fit into a conversation?
It really does make a difference. Now, let's try the next round at a normal speed.
Round 2, normal speed. Listen and repeat after Adam. How was your day?
How was your day?
Did you have a good lunch?
Did you have a good lunch?
Anything interesting happening?
Anything interesting happening?
I hope you have a great evening.
I hope you have a great evening.
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you.
How are things going?
How are things going?
Anything exciting coming up?
Anything exciting coming up?
Are you having a good time?
Are you having a good time?
Hope you're doing well.
Hope you're doing well.
How do you like this place?
How do you like this place?
Great job with that normal speed round. Let's put these into another mini dialogue.
Okay, this time, imagine we're at a casual gathering, maybe a friend's birthday party.
Hey, Adam, it's good to see you. How was your day?
Hey, Sarah, you too. My day was pretty good. Busy, but good. How are things going with you?
Things are good, thanks. This party is fun, right? Are you having a good time?
Yeah, it's great. I love the music. Did you have a good lunch before coming here?
I did a quick sandwich. So, anything interesting happening with you lately?
Well, I just started a new book. It's pretty exciting. Anything exciting coming up for you?
Oh, that's nice. I'm planning a small trip next month. Anyway, how do you like this place?
It's awesome. I've never been here before. Hope you're doing well with all your travel plans.
Thanks, you too. I hope you have a great evening here.
You too, Sarah. Catch you later.
See how it's all about making those small connections?
Absolutely. It's not about deep conversations, just showing you're friendly.
Now, for our final round, we're going a bit faster. Don't worry if you miss a word or two.
Just try to keep up with the overall speed and rhythm. It's great practice.
Round 3, faster speed. Go for it. How's everything going with you?
How's everything going with you?
Are you enjoying your coffee?
Are you enjoying your coffee?
What are you working on these days?
What are you working on these days?
Looking forward to anything special?
Looking forward to anything special?
It was a pleasure talking to you.
It was a pleasure talking to you.
How was your trip?
How was your trip?
Did you hear about the news?
Did you hear about the news?
I hope you have a good one.
I hope you have a good one.
What do you think of that?
What do you think of that?
See you around then.
See you around then. Wow, you did it. 3 rounds of shadowing, from slow to fast.
That's incredible progress, really. Don't worry if it felt a bit challenging at the faster speed.
It's all about practice, right? The more you do it, the more natural it becomes.
Absolutely. Think of small talk as a warm-up for bigger conversations. It's okay to start small.
And remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Every time you try, you're improving.
Exactly. The goal isn't perfection, it's connection. Just be friendly and open.
You've just learned some super useful phrases for real-life situations.
So next time you're in a situation where you need to make small talk, give these a try.
You might be surprised how easy it gets.
Thanks for joining us for this episode of Real Life English Shadowing Practice.
We really hope you enjoyed practicing with us and feel more confident about small talk.
Don't forget to check out our other episodes on the Learn English with Us channel for more practice.
Keep practicing every day, even for just a few minutes.
That's the best way to improve your English fluency and confidence.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Take care.
Bye for now.